911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Hi, yes, I'm reporting a guy almost ran me off the road right here on Brundage. I don't know if somebody's reported this to you.
Okay, what's the location?
It's Brundage and Oswell.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Hi, on Oswell and Brundage Lane, there is a crazy driver driving around crazy. He's doing U-turns, going the wrong way.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
There was a car, silver car, driving erratically on 184 Morning Drive, heading past Hillcrest Memorial. He was like all over the road.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Hi, I'm reporting it's a guy. He's in a silver car. I'm on the 178 going up towards Alfred Harrell. He's driving really crazy. He's going to hurt somebody because his front left tire is flat, and he's driving on just the rim probably by now.
After numerous 911 calls, the suspect pulled into the Tony's Pizza parking lot off Highway 178. A bystander captured the following video on their cell phone.
Oh, God. What the hell is he doing? Ash, get up, Ash, get up. I don't know. The airbag was on.
The suspect, later identified as Cesar Ruiz, drove behind the business and exited the vehicle. Please note, the surveillance cameras did not capture any audio. Ruiz has a firearm in his waistband. Ruiz appears to exit the frame, but returns shortly after to retrieve items from the vehicle. The following video has been sped up for time purposes. Ruiz can be seen walking through the front parking lot of the business. Deputy Mario Garza, who's been with the Kern County Sheriff's Office since 2002, was off-duty and in the parking lot when he noticed Ruiz acting erratic. Deputy Garza saw Ruiz approach a vehicle in the parking lot, and several patrons subsequently approached Ruiz. Deputy Garza exited his vehicle and approached Ruiz. As Deputy Garza walked up, Ruiz pulled the firearm from his waistband, and the patrons can be seen running away. Ruiz pointed his gun in the direction of the business and patrons. As Deputy Garza retrieved his concealed carry gun, Ruiz turned his body toward Deputy Garza. Deputy Garza, believing Ruiz was going to shoot him, fired one round. Ruiz fell to the ground between the vehicles. Deputy Garza identified himself as a Kern County Sheriff's Office deputy and ordered Ruiz to drop his weapon. Ruiz lifted his gun and shot at Deputy Garza. Deputy Garza was not hit. Deputy Garza took cover behind a vehicle that he later noticed was occupied. Deputy Garza convinced the driver to safely leave the area. A bystander approached the scene and appeared to be recording on his cell phone. However, it was later discovered the recording was not activated and therefore not captured. The following surveillance video is sped up for time purposes. Deputy Garza could see Ruiz was on the ground with his finger still on the trigger. Ruiz lifted the firearm, aiming towards Deputy Garza and the business in the background. Deputy Garza engaged Ruiz and fired. Ruiz's arm with the gun fell to the ground, ending the threat, and Deputy Garza stopped shooting.